your view.
Thank you.
Okay?
I appreciate it. Good afternoon, everybody. This is your boy Clembier Harvey. We are on Zanzibar Island. This is my beautiful girlfriend, Mutsa DC. Yes, we are on Zanzibar Island. We have a local taking us to our hotel because you just cannot trust these GPSs nowadays. They will really have you messed up. Took a ferry here from Dar es Salaam. Got a little bit of footage on that. I'll give y'all more on that later, how to get here, how much it's gonna cost, how long it's gonna take. She's so happy she sees the water and all of that. Right now we got this local helping us out. I always trust the locals. When you get somewhere, just put the GPS away and tell them the name of the hotel. That's him on the bicycle in front of us taking us to where we need to be because we were driving around the village going in circles following the GPS. Wow. Look at that water, y'all.
I just smell it.
I see Santa Cruz. There's our hotel in the distance. The white building. That's how close we are to the beach. We will be spending a lot of time on that beach. As you see the locals looking. Y'all, when the locals are looking, that's not a mean thing. They're actually happy to see you, you know what I'm saying? It's just the fact that they're all looking because, you know, you're a tourist. You're a tourist, you know what I'm saying? So there's no offense when they stare at you. Here we are. Here we are. Alright, I'm gonna end this video so I don't crash this car. Here's the Zima Hotel. I think I saw that as well when I was booking. I'm gonna catch back up with y'all here in a second after we check in. Y'all, look at this. This is just beautiful. We are here at Zanzibar Crown in Zanzibar. Which is our hotel for the next 3 nights. Higher.
Italy.
Well, I don't know what type of rooftop we're going up.
I'm going down. Enjoy your view.
Thank you.
Okay?
I appreciate it. Look at that. Oh, these boys out here getting it, playing football.
I love that everything you found are literally, we're right in the middle of everything. So now we don't have to spend time on the road.
That's why I tell you to trust me.
Like literally everything is here. The restaurant. You know, I get tired of driving.
Yep. Okay. What is ours called? Segundo? Our room is called Segundo, right? Okay. Hey y'all, sorry about the talking in the background. Me and my girlfriend talking. Yes, she's saying, if y'all didn't understand her, tired of driving. We've been driving a lot. We drove from Dar es Salaam to Arusha, which is almost 11 hours, 10 hours and 50 minutes to be exact. And then we made the drive back. Spent 4 or 5 days at Arusha. I just want y'all to soak this up right now. Really soak this up. Step 1, I need y'all to pretend y'all was a sponge. Step 2, soak this up. Alright? You see all that water right there, soak it up. You see this football game going on right here, soak it up. You get what I'm saying? This is Africa. Beautiful. 2 football games, not just 1. Look at that. Jumbo, jumbo, jumbo. Jumbo mambo. I love the soccer game.
So these are the fishermen.
Yes. Uh-oh. They about to put on the show now. I'm out here. Uh-oh. They about to put on the show now. I'm out here.